Hi guys, this is Zukile Mkhalale from Notam, and today I will take you through how to request drone services on Notam. When you click that request services button, you will be led to a page with a map view and a search button. You will need to input the location of your specific project site in order for the button to get activated. Once you select the location, we'll zoom in to that specific area. When clicking the new button, you'll be given options of which service you'd like to request. In this instance, we'll request the video service. After that, you'll be given the option to bound or get boundaries around the project site that you want covered by the drone. After this, you will receive a pop-up of a simple quotation and be given options to reject or send the quote to your email. Once you send the quote, you will be referred to a next page where you will have to decide whether you want to pay now or pay later. When you pay later, you will get an email where you will be given the option to speak to one of our consultants for more in-depth understanding of what you'd like to accomplish. The quotation email will look something like this. And the scheduling email will look something like this.